How to use the CapCut AutoCut feature. CapCut's AutoCut feature is an AI-powered tool that automatically edits videos by selecting the best clips, applying transitions, and syncing with music. And here is how to use it. First of all, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Once inside the CapCut app, you can see AutoCut option available at the top left corner of your home screen. Simply tap on the AutoCut and you'll be navigated to the Photos and Videos section of your gallery. You can choose multiple video clips as well or simply a single video clip only as well. Here I'm choosing one. And once you choose one, tap on the next option available there. Now you can simply scroll at the bottom and choose the style or filter or template you want to use. And once done so, watch the AI edited video. It might take few times for your video to be loaded. Now, once loaded, you can simply watch the video from start to the end. And once satisfied, you can tap on the export option available at the top right corner of the screen and save your TikTok video in high quality. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.